Arthritis is a condition where the joint gets inflamed because of the damage to the cartilage or because of the inflammation in the synovium. Broadly speaking, there are two types of arthritis. One is the rheumatoid arthritis, the second one is age-related arthritis. Commonly we see the patients who are having the age-related degenerative arthritis. We are mainly dealing with the degenerative arthritis where the cartilage in the joint at the ends of the bone, as you can see here in this image, this is the cartilage which is at the end of our bones, which forms the joint, and this cartilage gradually gets damaged, as you can see here, and that leads to painful joint movement. This is stage 4 when whole of the cartilage of the end of the bone is damaged, and that leads to pain even while sleeping, and patient is having painful steps. Even single step is painful. So when patient is having pain because of this damage in the cartilage, that is called degenerative arthritis. Usually starts around 50 or 50 plus, leads to stage 4 at around 60 years of age, and then patient requires some kind of intervention so that he or she can get the relief from the arthritic pain. In the early stage, when the patient starts having the pain, they usually have very acute severe pain, and people usually call them that they have an acute attack of arthritis, because before that the pain was not there. So when the first pain perception starts, it usually becomes very, very severe, because the patient thinks that it was absolutely pain-free few days back and now it has become such painful that it's difficult to move around. At this stage, cold packs, few anti-inflammatory medications to relieve the pain, and regular treatment is to do regular exercises. Cut down on your weight. If you are overweight, 1 kg reduction in your weight will lead to 8 kg less load on your knees while normal walking, 16 to 20 kg less weight on your knees when you are climbing upstairs or when you are standing from sitting position. So that is a very significant factor to reduce the weight and regular exercises. So changing your lifestyle will improve your stage 1 and 2. Sometimes even in stage 1 and 2, the patient's knees so much damage that they feel significant pain. For those patients, we have injections available. We give the synovial fluid injection. It's called synovial fluid replacement therapy, and that gives relief for 6 months to 2 years time. Once the patient reaches beyond stage 3, that is stage 4 or stage 5, which is nowadays we call it a complication stage, when the deformity is so much that the bone is either broken or there is significant defect at the bone ends, that stage patient requires surgery.